Guys, welcome to video 3 and the final in this series. So we left off last time with our new codes for our new products. So this is the page we left off. What I want to show you now is that the code that you send someone is an extremely long code. So you can see the code up here. It's extremely long. That's a lot of code to send someone. A, it can confuse them, and B, if anything happens and you lose something off the end, then the code won't work. What I want to show you is how to change that code into a smaller version using Bitly. So I'm just going to copy the code. Copy. I'm going to go to a new page here and we're going to open something called Bitly. So if you type into Google Bitly, B-I-T-L-Y, and hit enter, it'll bring you up a few options so I can show you which one it is. There we go. So this is the one I use, bitly.com. Click on it. And with my internet being a little bit quicker would be great. And it will come up. And you can join. Now I'm already a member, so it's come up straight away with my details because I've been using it for the last few weeks. So what you need to do now is come up and hit create. Paste in here the really long code that you have. See how long it is? And click create. That's it. There's your code there. Now you can name that. So I will name this Susie Q. What did I do? 30-day combo / renew. So I know what it is. And save. Now the same as your other link, if I copy this link, go to a new page, paste the short link in, there it is, hit enter, it'll bring me up exactly the same as it did with the long one. All it's done is convert it to a smaller version. So that's pretty much how you use Bitly. Hopefully this will come up very quickly, my internet's very slow. That's how you use Bitly, and you can use Bitly for anything. You can use it for your Facebook group, you can use it for orders, you can use it for anything that you like, you can do, and it's free to join. So there you go, it's brought up to the same spot. So let's go back here. So I used the code there to change it. You can also change other codes as well. So I'll just go over that again. Copy your code, open an internet, make an account with Bitly. Let me just close that. Make an account with Bitly, which creates your Bitlinks. Go into create, paste your link in here, and then save. And that's it, as simple as that. Have a go at all three. If you have an issue, let me know, and I'll be able to help you. One thing I just wanted to show you, and I will put it in the thing, is in this code, in this box here, I forgot to tell you, these are customer volume and quantity volume. So they've picked one, so it's 21, and the quantity volume is 21 as well. All right, that's it. Have a great day. See ya.